Can I do it like this? I'm doing it like this. I don't know if I'm supposed to be narrating. This is Peggy at the YMCA in the background on an elliptical. Right. What she means is inspiring herself to do better. Go girl. You get it. Work it out, Peg. You got it. Go girl. You get it. Work it out, Peg. You got it. Go girl. Oh, you can. You can do. You can do it. No, not cut. Come on. Spread it out. Spread it out. What, you didn't know I was your personal trainer, too? Oh. Okay. We'll go 1:30. That's 10 more seconds. Go, girl. Go, Pig. No. 1:30.